Good morning children. Hope you are all doing good. This is first standard English class. Block 19 text to self connections. In that today's topic is text to self connections. As you all know, text means the writing part. Means here text means the story. Have you ever heard the word karate children? Yes, karate is a martial art. If you want to learn karate, you have to take training for that. And the uniform also will be different for karate. If you see anyone is wearing, that is white in color. If you see anyone is wearing that uniform, we can understand that, we can easily identify that maybe they are learning karate. Okay children? So today we are going to read the story, The Assembly Medal, and try to connect that story with our own lives.
Open your English readers. The Assembly Medal. Who is the author of the story? Vinita Krishna. Keywords here: taekwondo, patch, block, grinned, shuddered. Okay, we'll come to know the meanings of this story meanings of these keywords while reading the story. Turn the page. Let's start reading the story. Rahul and Ricky clapped for Meera. She was getting a medal for being the fastest runner in class 3. See here. Rahul and Ricky. Can you guess who is Rahul and Ricky here? Yes, these two boys are Rahul and Ricky. They are clapping for Meera. Why they are clapping for Meera? Because she got a medal. Why she got a medal? Because she became a fastest runner. All the children sitting in the assembly hall clapped as the principal handed over the medal to her. See, a principal is handing over the medal to Meera. I dream of the day I will be on stage, whispered Rahul. Me too, whispered back Ricky. See, what is their dream, children? They are dreaming that they should be on stage one day. So like that they are dreaming. Now, see children, here Meera won the medal for being the fastest runner. This reminds me of the time when I was a child, I won a sack race in school. I understand how Meera feels because I felt very proud when the principal gave me a trophy. The prize giving ceremony was not held in the assembly hall. Here the prize giving ceremony was at the assembly hall. But when I was small, it held in the playground, school playground, where all the students and parents saw me receiving the trophy. That evening, the two friends met in the neighborhood park as usual. I don't feel like playing, said Rahul. In that evening what happened? The two friends, they met in the neighborhood park. So, I don't feel like playing, said Rahul. Let's think of something that we can practice and get a medal for. See what they are doing, children? They were having a conversation that they have to get the medal. It has to be something we are already good at, said Ricky. What about taekwondo? It is a form of karate. It's a form of karate from Korea. Now, great idea. Rahul was excited. The master always tells us that we are picking it up very fast because they know the game. That's why maybe they stopped playing that. So that's why what happened? They were thinking that they were telling to each other. The master always tells us that we are picking it up very fast. It's decided then, said Ricky, jumping up and down. We'll start practicing tomorrow evening. So with that happiness, what they are doing? So they want to practice that from tomorrow evening. See next page. They selected a clean patch close to a motor repair garage. See here, they have selected a patch. Patch means, it is a small area of land. Means it is a place where we can play or we can practice a game. It had many cars. Garage means, that cars, they will be there, no children. So that garage. It had many cars and jeeps parked there for repairs. The mechanic who worked there watched them practice at times. So you see, if you observe that mechanic is watching these children, Rahul and Ricky. The days flew by as the two friends learnt and practiced their moves. So they are practicing daily, they are practicing. They were working hard and wanted to become the youngest green belts in their group. What they want to become? They wanted to become an youngest green belts in their group. This, they hoped, would get them the medals they really wanted. Hana tul set, Rahul counted loudly in Korea. You know, it is a word. When they are practicing like that, they have to tell. Here's my round kick. Ricky was quick to act. This is how I block it, he said. See how children, how nicely they are using that words and they are practicing. It means they are enjoying that. So blocking means stopping, children. So when that boy wants to kick that other boy, that boy is blocking. He said, Rahul, your round kick has become very powerful, said Ricky. And so has your middle block. Very quick. Grinned Rahul. Grinned. Do you remember this word, children? Grinned means a wide smile that shows the teeth. In which lesson we have learned this? Yes, the lion and the mouse. He was sweating. So after they practiced a lot, they were sweating. Strength and speed. These are the magic words in Taekwondo. So these are the magic words. What are the magic words? Strength and speed, said Ricky. And we have got them now, said Rahul, patting his arms and legs. I think we are almost there, very close to the medal, said Ricky. So we'll read the remaining story in the next class, children. Now here, what did we do here? Text to self connections. Text means the story or the written material. So here, whatever is the story, we are trying to connect it to our own lives. Okay, now here children, here I told you my own experience, means here I connected this text to my own life and I told you. Here what you have to do, if you practiced like this any game, okay, try to write any 2 sentences in the rough book. What you will write? I understand, maybe. So you can write, I won, see I am just telling you, I won a sack race in school. I understand how Meera feels because I felt very proud when the principal gave me a trophy. That is like that, I can write the sentence. So what you have to do is, read the text. If it is connecting to your own life, maybe if you practiced like that anything, just try to write 2 sentences about that in your rough book.
So after reading the story, how did it remind you of the incidents in your life? The story reminded us of our lives in many ways, our own lives in many ways. Some students were reminded of how they play in the park with their friends in the evening. Some students were reminded of when the time when they felt very bad for not winning the game, and after that how they worked hard. Okay, so when we connect the story with our own lives, it helps us to imagine the settings better, how the characters feel, and also feel like as we are in the part of the story. Now children, in the story, Ricky and Rahul felt very happy for Meera because she won the medal. How would you feel for your friends? Many of us would feel very happy when our friends won a medal. Many of us would feel very happy. Some of our friends, maybe they feel very bad for not winning the medal. So we can connect the story, not only the story children, any text you are reading, we can connect it to our own lives. So I hope you all understood. Open your English workbooks.
S2, text to self connections. Write today's date, children. What is today's date? 9-2-2021. Fill in to describe how the story, the assembly medal, connects to your own life. Here, see, this reminds me of, I understand how the character feels because the setting makes me think of another place. Okay, children, this is my I am going to write about my own life because that text reminds me of. Okay, you can write it on your own. This reminds me of. This reminds me of the time when my friend Raji, see here I have written my friend's name, and you can write your friend's name, children. And I practiced playing football for a football match. See here football I have written because why, yesterday in S1 I told you that reminds me of that picture. Second one, I understand how the character feels because I understand how the character feels because we felt very happy that we were working so hard and learning to play well. We felt that we would win the match. Here, see, children, I understand how the character, not characters. I understand how the character feels because we felt very happy that we were working so hard and learning to play well. We felt that we would win the match. This setting makes me think of another place. This setting makes me think of the big parking area under my building where we used to practice football. Okay, you can write your own experience, children. Second one, what would you do if you were in Rahul and Ricky's place? See, Rahul and Ricky were practicing taekwondo. So when you were in Rahul's place, because they're practicing on their own. But if you were in Rahul and Ricky's place, what you will do? Obviously, we'll take training from the master to learn that taekwondo. If I were in Rahul and Ricky's place, comma, I would take help from the master to practice taekwondo and become very good at it. Okay, children, complete S2. We'll meet in the next class with our new topic, meaningful connections. Thank you.